I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV. This is Foodie Friday.
Foodie Friday.
Yum.
Yeah.
Hello roadies, it's another Foodie Friday review day and we are doing it outside today. It's a beautiful 72-degree day and we are loving the warmth that we are feeling. Today we're going to continue our review of our Built Bar protein bars and we're going to be sharing 3 other flavors with you, and they are going to be the mint brownie, double chocolate, and salted caramel. Alright, let's start with the mint brownie. Summer, here's your little piece. And Papa, take a bite.
Hey, over here.
No! I think it's good. But I am a mint fan, so that's why I like it. What about you, Papa?
Trying to swallow.
Wait, I need water.
It's actually pretty good.
Alright. We like mint brownie. That's a keeper. Alright, next we're going to try the salted caramel.
It's soft?
Yeah, it's kind of warm out here, so it's getting soft. Let's take a bite.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that one. I think it's one of my favorites. It's right up there with the cherry barcia. It's very, very tasty. It's kind of almost a toffee type flavor to it as well.
I don't care for it too much.
Yeah.
Oh, now your fingers are getting gooey, huh? Okay, last taste, we're going to do the double chocolate. There's Summer's and Papa's. That one's all right too. What? So I guess Summer's just not a protein bar fan. Cookies and cream was the only one that she would have voted yes to. So, and then she only had the couple bites and then she was done already.
Look how messy your fingers are.
Show the silly people, show the people how silly you are. Now show them your cute face. She's got chocolate all over her face too. Yep. All right.
Yep, that was pretty good too.
So Lee says 3 thumbs up for all 3 flavors we did today. Summer said 3 thumbs down. And I guess Wally has 2 thumbs up.
I like the mint and the chocolate.
Yeah.
Not so much with the caramel.
Okay. I guess that's it for today. But if you are interested in trying these only have 4 grams of sugar, people. And anywhere from like 130 calories. So they're very filling. They satisfy you between meals and they're not going to spike your blood sugars. They're pretty awesome. You can get a box of 18 bars for like $38. And so go to built.com or maybe it's BuiltBar.com. One of those. I have it on my favorites, so all I do is click. But go ahead and check that out. I will also put the link in the description below so you can go there and check out their flavors that they have. And you can mix and match different flavors that you want to try. But, you know, just go try them out. I think you'll like them. So take care. And Summer left, so she's not going to give us the spiel today, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right?
And what else? Ring the bell. That's right.
And
Okay. Goodbye.
Bye.